Hey guys, it's me, Stephen Watts here today, and I'm going to be recording a pack opening today. As you can see in the corner, I have 2,200 FIFA points, so we're going to start opening a pack. And for the first pack, we're going to be opening a 7.5k pack.
Is it?
No,
This one.
2.2 whatever. 2,200 FIFA points, and yeah, I'm speaking in the party with my friends, and my brother's opening the first pack. Oops, so it might be bad. Press A. Thanks. Oh, did we get anyone good in the first pack? Oh, and we got Martinho, Joe Martinho. That's quite good. 83. He was quite good on FIFA 14. I used him. And my friends pretended that he packed Team of the Year already. And we're just going to open a silver pack right now because, yeah, just to get these 50 points away. Nice. Oh, that's really good. I'm going to open a 15k pack. Can we get anyone good? Ooh. Please be good. Bye. Oh, that was like a bad pack. Oh, this guy's good. I know him. I've played with him before. He's good. So we have infinite of these. We're going to open a... So on.
Open another.
Yeah, no, and my brother's going to open another one after this pack. Skip pack. Oh, Sagna. That's quite good. I got 2 Southampton players there, Davis and Philip. I got Davis and Davis, both from Southampton. Nice, Philip. I just packed Davis and Davis in the same pack. Wait, let me get on for my brother. Press A.
Oh, I need to
Press A. Oh, Rondon. He's good. No, normal. Alright. Quickly, guys, let's just go look at the team of the week of the guys we're going to be wanting to pack. Look at this team of the week. It's really good. Like Bale, Jacko, Welbeck, Fellaini, Shagarai, I think that's wrong. Yeah, Boateng. It's quite good. I'm gonna try and hopefully get some of this. Wait, which pack do we want to open? Let's open another one of these. Oh, Dante. It's not. These packs ain't really that good. Yeah, they're okay though. Yeah, I'm gonna open one of these packs. Yeah, I've opened 3 of them, I think, or 2. Oh, PaCk! I had 1k coins. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, I got 2k coins. Yeah, I got 2k coins. Oh, look at this guy, 80 pace. He looks like one. Let's see how much he goes for. Probably. Just keep him moving.
Tomorrow.
I would open one of these, yeah. I'll open. Oh, 89 pace, that's quite good. Got Valencia. Apparently he's really good. Whoa, that's a lot of things.
Oh yeah, more money.
Open.
Oh yeah, more
One of these again. And you guys, we're coming to the end of the video. if you have enjoyed, smack that like button. This is a bad pack as well. We have a few more packs. Yes, we should smack the like button. Can we get like a couple of likes? This is our last gold pack. We just opened a silver pack. Oh, move on. Oh, there you go. 16 on. Hopefully we get something good in there. And thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. On my next video. Bye.